So this is GenTube. It's a mobile-first app where you can create art and experiment with prompts wherever you are. It's a fun, endless way to explore image generation without needing to fire up ComfyUI when you're away from your setup. For example, you can go crazy testing prompts while you're waiting for the bus. On GenTube, you're never starting from scratch. There's always a cool starting point waiting for you. The community is constantly creating and remixing, giving you fresh ideas and inspiration through the feed. Best of all, it's free, unlimited, and instant. You type whatever's in your head, and it appears in about a second. If you don't love it, just hit regenerate, then do it again. There's no cost, so you can be as picky as you want. It's perfect for ComfyUI users who want to quickly test ideas without launching their entire workflow. When you find something you like, you can edit it. Change something, add something, remove something. That's when it really starts feeling like your own creation. Then there's swipe mode. Same concept, different versions, different moods, lighting, and vibes. You think you know what you want, then you swipe and suddenly realize, actually, that one's even better. You type whatever's in your head, and it appears almost instantly. If it's not quite right, just regenerate and keep exploring. With unlimited generations, you're free to experiment as much as you like. This is where GenTube really shines. You can test 20 prompt ideas in 20 seconds. No laptop, no setup, no waiting, and most importantly, no losing great ideas just because you're away from your desk. It's incredibly easy to change anything in your prompt. Swap subjects, change styles, add details, remove elements. The possibilities are endless, and it's built to help your personal creativity shine through. If you're a ComfyUI user, you know how difficult it can be to experiment when you're away from your machine. GenTube lives on your phone, so you can keep exploring ideas anywhere. On the bus, waiting in line, during a break, whenever inspiration strikes. On GenTube, you're not starting from scratch, you're starting with something cool. Just tap a style and instantly remix the creation into something completely different. Then there's swipe remixing. Same idea, endless possibilities. Different moods, different lighting, different styles. Sometimes the best version is the one you didn't even know you wanted until you swiped to it. The entire feed is filled with people creating, remixing, and experimenting. You can see what others have made, what inspired new creations, who's getting the most remixes, and much more. And all of your creations live on your profile. After a few weeks, it starts to feel like your own personal gallery, and that's GenTube. The easiest way to experiment with creative ideas while you're on the go. You don't have to interrupt your creative flow just because you're away from your ComfyUI setup. You're never starting from scratch either. The GenTube community is always sharing new ideas, new styles, and new inspiration. Open the app and create something within your first 20 seconds. Head over to gentube.app and start exploring.